everyone and welcome back to my vlogging channel. So today with Christmas just knocking at the door, I'm all set to visit 4 must-visit destinations in Kolkata during Christmas. I'm so pleased to watch this entire video and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. And now let's get started.
Ma and I started our journey quite early, and the first place we visited was St. Paul's Cathedral.
Hey guys, so right now I'm standing in front of St. Paul's Cathedral, which is a church of North Indian Cathedral.
Originally built in Gothic architectural style, St. Paul's Cathedral is considered as one of the many architectural marvels of the colonial era. The magnificent structure had undergone quite a few renovations that led to the changes in the original monument. The present structure has Indo-Gothic elements of Gothic revival architecture to stand the strong tropical climate that Kolkata experiences. And right in front of the church was this amazing installation done by one of the artists from Krishnanagar. Photography was restricted inside the church, and hence I got this picture from the net just for you.
Right now this place is getting ready for the Christmas event, which is a big event here, and not just Christians but every people from every religion come and visit this place, and this is the true spirit of Kolkata during Christmas.
After St. Paul's Cathedral, the next in our list was visiting New Market, which is one of the oldest markets in Kolkata, and to visit Nahom's, the oldest confectionery in Kolkata, and to enjoy delicious biryani from Nizam's.
Right now I am inside New Market, which is a massive market in Kolkata, and I am trying to find out Nahom's, which is like the oldest confectionery in Kolkata. So that's number 2 in must visit places during Christmas. Dada, Nahom's. Thank you. So hopefully I've got it. Ma, tomar কেমন লাগছে জায়গাটা? ভালো লাগছে। মা ফার্স্ট টাইম Nahom's আসছে। সোজা চলে যাবে? Thank you, Dada. So people in Kolkata are very helpful.
Just look at the line, guys. Urgent change of plan, guys. So we decided to go to Nizam's first and have our lunch, and then get back and check on Nahom's once again. Nizam's is one of the oldest eateries in Kolkata, and it dates back to 1937, and it is said to be the original source of the famous kathi rolls.
Fun fact, guys, I really feel like going back to Nizam's once again while editing this video because, guys, the food was delicious.
Finally we are at Nizam's, and here's Ma having biryani. And so right now I'm having their famous chicken biryani and mutton biryani. So I'll just get started because I'm way too hungry, but this smells amazing.
Okay, so after having the amazing biryani from Nizam's, we are back again at Nahom's, hoping to get a chance to get in and buy the Christmas cake, but unfortunately the line was too much and hence we could not get in. But here's the history of the place for you. The bakery was founded by Nahum Israel Mordesai, a Baghdadi Jew, in the year 1902. Israel began his bakery business with a door-to-door model, and his sweet treats captured the attention of the colonial rulers. It wasn't until 1916, however, that the store Nahum and Sons, with its actual name, was established in the New Market area. Till date, the store runs from the same location, and even its teakwood furniture, old-fashioned glass displays, and flooring haven't changed from their classic versions, and nor has the food on offer. So after having this amazing lunch, we wanted to have something sweet. And what's better than having Nolin Gur and Mishti? If you are in Kolkata in winter, you just cannot miss the sweets and delicacies prepared with this date palm jaggery as a sweetener. In its liquid form, it is used to prepare a variety of traditional sweets, including Rasgulla and Sandesh. I'll suggest you go for the Jolbhara Sandesh with its hollowed out heart filled with this amazing liquid gur. So finally we went to the Christmas carnival at Park Street, which is very famous.
Right now we are at the Christmas carnival in Park Street, and the entire place is fully decorated with all lights and everything, and I'll show you that. And this is the place to be during Christmas in Kolkata, and the entire place is decorated with the lights, and there's only cheerfulness and happiness all over. So let's see.
As we were coming out of the Christmas carnival, we met this amazing family and this little YouTuber. So a big shout out for her.
Rahul, Bornali, Ojashwi.
Oh, acha. Oh, you're also a YouTuber. Okay, what's your channel's name? Oh wow, please do check out her channel as well and subscribe to both of our channels. Please do subscribe. Okay, chalo, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Bye bye. Finished with our Park Street tour, and it's not a Christmas until you have a Christmas hat, and that's why I bought this hat right now, and now we are heading towards home.
So this was how my city of joy looked as we returned home from Park Street Christmas Carnival. This is the spirit of Christmas in Kolkata. That is it for this video, guys. Do let us know how you celebrated Christmas this year and what other places you visited in Kolkata during this Christmas. Also do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Wishing a Merry Christmas to you and your family.